So, guys, I've been talking a lot about the fire method masterclass. So now I have this white friend of mine who's going to tell you to join the fire method masterclass if you haven't. So, do you know how to say in Hindi? Please join my friend's fire method masterclass.
Please, आओ मेरी friends
Yeah,
masterclass
may.
में. Yes.
Okay, what are the Hindi words? Do you know? What are the sentences can you speak in Hindi?
I can say what's my name, where I'm
So
from.
tell, explain.
So मेरा नाम वलेरिया है. मैं क्रोएशिया से हूँ. What else I can say? ये बहुत अच्छा दिन है. बस.
How did you like your time in India when you came to visit?
Oh, it was really amazing, beautiful.
Hindi.
I
was going to say Naharvatski.
Yeah, Naharvatski. I don't know how to say. India में तीन साल. How you say?
Yeah, तीन साल थी. Yeah.
Or how you say? It was those 3 years were good. ये 3 साल बहुत अच्छा था.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it was great.
Your Hindi is like my Croatian.
We are getting there.
We are getting there.
Yeah.
Awesome.
मैं हिंदी सीख लूंगी.
Okay, so I have a lot of students who constantly worry about where they'll find their life partners from, and they're like, I don't go out, so I can't find a life partner. I'm not on the matrimonial site, so I can't find a life partner. Can you share how you found your life partner?
Basically, I manifested it in a completely, I would say, movie way.
Yeah.
I love to watch Bollywood movies. So my favorite actor is Shah Rukh Khan, and I basically just Googled one day if he's gonna come to Croatia, and because I haven't clue about it, and I Googled, and he was about to come in 3 months. I Googled in December. So in March, then like 3 months after, I went there in Dubrovnik. He was there. I met him. And
the movie fan.
For the movie fan, yes. I met
Shah Rukh Khan out of nowhere. Like she went and like total manifestation.
And yeah. So
she met Shah Rukh Khan, which itself is so awesome.
Yes.
And then you saw
his team only there was my future husband.
Yeah, but you all didn't immediately like connect.
Yeah, we actually just saw each other and all. We didn't make any contact, but then later on social media we started talking, and rest is
history. How long till you all got married? From the time that you all know?
That was 2015, and we married in 2018. So it was 3 years long distance.
3 years long distance.
Yeah.
And a lot of people ask how I did long distance with Harwe. How was long distance for you? What tips can you give to people who are in long distance?
You have to have trust in each other. That's like most important, and patience. A lot of patience, and just believe that everything's gonna work out. That's it, and of course love to hold everything. Yes, that's the tip.
And what did you love about India the most, or all the things you loved about India?
All the things I love people. People are very much welcoming, full of love. I love a lot culture and nature, architecture, but mostly people. They are like so much full of love. Like
and you stayed in Virar, right?
Yes, I stayed in Virar.
So and what was the best place you visited in India?
In India. I would say for now, like definitely Goa and like holy places like Vrindavan and Haridwar.
Yeah.
I would like to now visit South India.
Yeah.
Bangalore.
Yeah.
Definitely, yeah. That's on my list now.
I'm not going to torture you to sit like this anymore. So we are going to say bye.
Pressure.
You know how to say bye in Hindi?
Chal milenge.
Chal milenge. All right, bye guys.
Bye.
Register. Namaste. Register for the Fire Method Masterclass. It is. Hey, you've come. She's a student of LIF. She's a student of relationship. Yes, she's a student of Synchro Shakti. So, you know how, and do you think our courses are good and transformative?
Amazing. Yeah, definitely.
So, please register. It's a free class, it's 3 hours long to create smoothness in all areas of your life. If that is for you, come register. And we're here in Slovenia, actually.
Yeah.
We're not even in Croatia,
Yeah.
we're in Slovenia in Lake Bled. I will show you. And we were up there in that castle. And then there is a beautiful church, which you can't see from this angle. You have to walk 27, no, about 37 minutes the other side of the hill. And you'll see a beautiful Sarkwa church. And now we're going to, our pickup is going to come and we're going to go to Ljubljana, which is the capital, the capital town of Slovenia. So see you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, like and let me know in the comments and subscribe. See you soon.